Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu states that it was said to him, "Why do not you visit Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu and talk to him?" Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "Do you think I have not talked to him? Shouldn't I make you hear that I have talked to him? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have talked to him what I had to talk to him about me and him. And I don't want to initiate a thing to be the first one to initiate it, to revolt against a ruler. I don't say about any of my ruler that he is the best of all as a flattery, as I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, on the resurrection day a man will be brought and hurled into hell. As a result, the intestines in his bellies will come out of his belly, and he will move around with his intestine as a donkey moves around a grindstone. Thereafter, the other denizens of hell will cluster around him and say, 'Oh, so and so, didn't you use to bid us to be good and forbid us to do evil deeds?' He will reply, 'Why not? I used to bid other people to do good, but myself would not do so. I used to forbid other people to do evil acts, but I myself would indulge in them.'" Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7408.